So YouTube, it's your girl Brianna. I'm back once again with another video, and I have a new project going on today. So y'all just stay tuned. It's a DIY project, but y'all gonna like it though, cause y'all gonna be able to do this at your house. So just stay tuned, okay? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 wall mirrors. I just need the mirrors. I don't even need it in the frame. So I'm about to show y'all what I'm about to do, but y'all stay tuned for this because y'all gonna like it, like I said. So scratch that other way I was doing it. I found a different way, like more simple. All you need is these. And I'm about to show y'all. Hold up. So, I'm gonna move this fan. First mirror, one of the mirrors. Oh my goodness. Why these the wrong kind? These like the drinks that go on your food or something.
Oh, the Velcro.
Yeah. And that's like a fit the Velcro on. It's always something, y'all. I'm about to go get it. It said click. Oh no, okay. I still can do it like that. No, I still can do it like that. I'm gonna have to put one on the wall. I got 3 packs and only 4 coming out. So I'm only gonna be able to probably get like 2 members up. Excuse this language. Where's the other one going? So this is how it looks so far. I gotta go get another white one. And at night,
So what
this is how it looks. And I'm going to end the video right here because
Tell them.
I gotta go find another mirror. And I rode to like 5 different Family Dollars just to find a mirror. But right now, this is what y'all get. Whole vibe, you know. And I will be adding more. But right now, this is the setup. Hey. Comment and subscribe. Girl, breathing them out, y'all.